So, hey everyone, today in this video we will learn how to active MasterCard and PayPal account. Before start this process, you have to make sure that you load dollar in your PayPal account. I'm pretty sure that you already top up and that's why you search for this video. So, let's start. At first open PayPal account. Then you can see an option name card. Click here. After click on card, you can see an option which is get a new card. Click here. Now, there's two options. First, active physical card. Second, request virtual card. I'm sure that you want to get a virtual card. So, click here. A card name will appear and there are some color box will show. Pick your color of your card. In my case, I'm choosing last one, which is pretty good. Then click on confirm. And it's gone. You have got your MasterCard. In this section, you can see your card details by clicking card details. I hope you understand this easy process. If you find my video helpful, then subscribe, like and comment. And one last thing. If you want to know how to top up PayPal account from Binance Pay, watch this video. Thanks for watching.